Thank you. I was inspired by the sunrise.
Welcome to Maple Haven. We're so glad you're here.
Your painting looks wonderful, Maria.
Running a senior living facility is a profound responsibility, a delicate dance between providing exceptional care, managing a dedicated staff, and ensuring smooth operations. It's a world where every detail matters, and the well-being of residents is paramount.
I'm sorry, can you hold?
This shift conflict still hasn't been resolved.
I'll be right with you. I just need to find
Yet,
the chart.
for many, the daily reality meant being overwhelmed by a constant stream of inquiries, while the challenge of readmissions loomed large. Imagine the pressure of juggling phone calls, emails, and the intricate task of manual scheduling, all while families anxiously await answers and updates. This reliance on manual systems often led to frustrating delays and added stress for everyone involved. But what if there was a way to transform this?
All the vitals are updated across the board.
This makes care planning so much
With the
easier.
thoughtful integration of AI, everything changed. Suddenly, the overwhelming became manageable, and the challenging became achievable. Here's how it works. A smart inquiry chatbot now stands ready to answer family questions around the clock.
The AI chat is handling the family inquiries instantly. It's really taking the load off.
That's excellent news. And the dashboard is clear.
Providing instant support and freeing up valuable staff time. Simultaneously, predictive health monitoring tools offer proactive insights, allowing for timely interventions. And to ease the burden on your team, staff scheduling is now automated, ensuring optimal coverage and reducing administrative headaches. The results speak for themselves. Tour booking rates saw a significant jump, leading to substantial annual savings. Readmissions decreased dramatically, and the time spent on scheduling was slashed. Most importantly, resident and family satisfaction soared, reaching an impressive 4.6 stars. This transformation was made possible by seamlessly integrating powerful tools like Claude and point-click care, alongside custom optimization, all within a secure, HIPAA-compliant framework. The implementation was swift, taking just 10 weeks, and comprehensive training ensured your team was fully equipped. If your business is still navigating the complexities of manual systems, it's time to explore a smarter path. Imagine the possibilities when you can transform your operations, enhance care, and achieve remarkable results. Visit JoelNanz.com and get a free consultation and discover how the field of AI can empower your business. Check the video description for this case study details. Please subscribe to see more of our case studies explained.